So hey guys, I welcome you all to EHS Academy, advancing EHS profession through awareness. So guys, in today's video, actually we are going to discuss about a major update that was happened yesterday. Okay, but because of some reasons I was unable to make a video on that. But don't worry, today we will cover that topic. Fine. So yesterday on 22nd September 2020, there was a major update in our field. Basically, there are three laws, three you can say codes, which was passed by our Lok Sabha. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about these three codes and how it is important to us as a health and safety professional. So if you are visiting to this channel EHS Academy first time, so kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of every single video that I'll upload in the near future. So let's get started. So guys, yesterday 22nd September 2020, our Lok Sabha has passed three major bills. Okay, actually previously they have planning from last 73 years to pass that, but because of some problems, because of some reasons they haven't passed. But yesterday that historic moment came. Okay, so if we talk about these three bills or these three main codes which was came, first is your Industrial Relations Code 2020. Second is the Occupational Safety and Health Code and Working Conditions Code 2020. Okay, and next one is your with regards to Social Security Code 2020. Okay, so these three are important. Now, out of these three, the second one, the Occupational Safety and Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, we were studying about that code, that it is going to come in our field and it is going to impact our field very nicely. So finally that moment came. Okay, so we have previously started to learn about this code, how it is going to be useful and how to implement that and all. So now when this particular code, Occupational Safety and Health and Working Conditions Code 2020 came, so it is replacing around 13 acts which was pre-existing here in our field. Okay, so what are all these three acts that are going to be replaced by the new code? We are going to discuss here. Okay, so I have wrote all these acts, so let me tell you what are all these acts that are going to be replaced by this Occupational Safety and Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. Fine, first is your Factories Act 1948, which is very popular in amongst of all and which is very crucial. Now, Plantations Act 1951, second one. Third, Mines Act 1952. For the workers, those who are working with mines with regards to their health and safety and all, we used to use that particular Mines Act 1952. If we come to the next, fourth, that is your Building and Other Constructions Work Act 1996. For construction workers, those who are working in construction. Second, fifth, Dock Workers Safety, Health and Work Act 1986. Those workers who are working in dock or ports, this rule was applicable for them. Next is your Contract Labours Act 1970. Okay. Next is your Interstate Migrant Workers 1979. It is also going to be replaced by that particular Occupational Safety and Health Code. Next is the Sales Promotion Employees 1976. Fine. The Bidi and Cigarette Workers Act 1966. Okay, fine. Now guys, you will be thinking that why I'm just reading that acts. I'll tell you in the last of the video what are the benefits you are going to get by the removal of this act or by the replacement of these acts. Fine. The Bidi and Cigarette Workers Act 1966. Next is the Working Journalists and Other Newspaper Employees Act 1955. Actually, there are basically two acts inside that. Okay, first is for employment and second one is for Fixation of Rate of Wages Act 1985. These two are also removed. Sign Workers and Cinema Theatre Workers Act 1981. Next is the Motor Transport Workers Act 1961. So these are all 13 acts basically which are going to be changed or replaced by that Occupational Safety and Health Working Conditions Code. Now guys, now questions comes here, what are the benefits we are getting, why we are discussing and what is the reason to remove that. So see guys, it is very complex actually. If we talk about previous things, it is very complex. If you want to do something, if you want to report something, it is very complex. Refer to these acts, go and check everything. Okay, it's a very comprehensive procedure. But when this OSH and Working Conditions Code 2020 came, now it will be very easy. You just need to refer one document, that will be same. Okay, you just need to refer one document. But yeah, when we are doing business and the things are getting simplified by the coming of this act, you can see that one act in comparison of all these 13 acts. One side is there where we need to refer all these 13 acts, one side is there where we need to refer only one act. So it is going to be simple for us if we want to do any business and all. That is going to be very simple. Or for health and safety professionals also, those who are currently practicing in the field, for them also it is going to be very simple to refer that and to solve industrial problems whatever they are facing in their particular field. Now we have discussed about that. So what about that OSH Code 2020. What are the information about that? So guys, it is basically again it will be a lengthy document. So in the near future, I'll be taking one webinar on that, where we will discuss all the things which is related to that occupation safety and health code. How much chapters are there? What are all the provisions are there? Okay, everything we will be discussing about that particular code in the upcoming time. But now, one more thing is that why we have taken this particular act. So see, in every country, every government wants that their employees, those who are working in construction as well, those who are working in industries, they should be get benefited. They should get every welfare facility and all. So some shortcomings will be there in these acts. So these will be fulfilled in our occupational safety and health and working conditions code 2020. This will be fulfilled majorly. Okay, so we'll discuss that in the upcoming videos. So guys, this is the full analysis of this topic. If you like this video, press the like button as well as share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to HS Academy for these type of videos in the upcoming features. Thank you for watching. Have an educative day.